By signing up for our course to become a construction scheduler, you're about to start on a journey. With any journey, there's going to be ups and downs, highs and lows, tough times, and hard decisions. Before we get down that path, there's something very important we must do first and answer a simple question. Why do you want to become a construction scheduler? The reason why we want to address this question goes back to Simon Sinek's famous TED Talk video where he outlined the golden circle. At the center of the circle, there's why, and then there's how, and then there's what. Here at Plan Rich, we can provide you all of the training, the tactics, the tips, and the help to get you from point A to point B and land a job in construction scheduling. But what we cannot do for you is define why you want to become a construction scheduler. And that will be absolutely crucial on your journey. So before we begin anything, I'd like for you just to take a couple moments and think about that question. Why do you want to become a construction scheduler? Now, to get the juices flowing, it's good to begin with stuff that's in general. So start with something, like maybe you want to make more money, and then build more specifics to it. How much more money? By when do you want to make this money? And you can do this for anything that's drawn you into this career. It doesn't have to be money related. It could be job flexibility. It could be career growth. It could be location. It could be different projects, different companies. It all comes down to you and what is going to drive you. Because like I said before, when we get a couple months into this and there are hard decisions to make, maybe you can't decide between two jobs. Maybe it's finally at that point where you want to leave that comfortable job you've had for years, but you've reached a ceiling. You need to be able to fall back to your why. Will this next choice, decision, step complete my why, or will it take me on a different course? So take a couple moments, find your why, and put it into the community chat below.